Power of Chat GPT. New technologies are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and communicate. From artificial intelligence to virtual reality and beyond, the possibilities are almost limitless. From the Internet of Things to automation, new technologies are bringing us closer together and making life easier. We're able to access information with the touch of a button, get real-time updates on the go, and stay in touch with people across the world. We can also get personalized recommendations on products and services, and use connected devices to make our homes smarter and more efficient. New technologies are also transforming the way businesses operate. Automation and robotics are making it easier to streamline processes, while big data and analytics are helping companies to make better decisions. Augmented reality is being used to provide a more engaging customer experience, and virtual reality is being used to train employees. New technologies are rapidly changing the world around us, opening up new possibilities and opportunities for everyone. As technology continues to evolve, it's exciting to think about what the future holds.